Hi friends, welcome to the channel eQuest by Surekha. In this video, we can discuss about simple interest part 3. Here we can discuss the questions related to a rate of interest, time period and amount. Rate of interest is denoted by R and it is in percentages and units are per annum. And time period is denoted by T. Units are in years. And amount is different from principal. Principal is also called sum and it is also called capital. For suppose, if I borrowed some money from my friend, that money is nothing but principal. If I paid some extra money to that person for the usage of the given money, that extra money is nothing but interest. So finally, I paid principal plus interest, then that is nothing but amount. So here amount formula A equal to principal plus interest. P plus I equal to amount. Now see the first question in this video. After watching this video, at the end of this, there are some questions. Please try to practice those questions and write your answers in comment section. Now see the first question. At what rate of interest will 1375 rupees obtained as a simple interest on 12,500 rupees for 2 years 9 months? See here at what rate of interest? Here we should find out R value. R equal to how much? Will 1375 obtained as a simple interest? So here SI equal to 1375 and principal P equal to 12,500 rupees. Time period T equal to 2 years 9 months. But time period always in years. But here combination of years and months. So we should convert these months in the form of years. See here 2 years and 9 months means 9 by 12 years. That equal to here 3 cancelled 3 times and 3 cancelled 4 times. So 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4 years. Now the formula for simple interest is SI equal to P T R by 100. SI value is 1375 equal to P value is 12,500 into T value is 11 by 4 into R value we don't know divided by 100. Now 0, 0, 0, 0 cancelled and this 125 and 1375 cancelled. How many times? 11 times and this 11 and 11 gets cancelled. So R equal to 4 percentage per annum. R equal to 4 percentage per annum. Now let us move to the second question. In how many years does a sum of 5,000 rupees yield a simple interest of 16,500 at 15 percentage per annum? See here, sum means capital. Capital is also called principal. So here, principal P is equal to 5,000 rupees. And simple interest SI equal to 16,500 rupees. And rate of interest R equal to 15 percentage per annum. Now we have to find out time period in years. T equal to what? Simple interest formula SI equal to PTR by 100. What is the value of simple interest? 16,500 equal to P value is a 5,000 into T value is, we don't know, we have to find out the T value into R value is a 15 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled and this 0 cancelled, and here 15 cancelled how many times in 165? One time, again one time, 11 times, and 0 110 times. Now see here 5 cancelled how many times? 2 times, again 2 times, that equal to T value equal to 22 years. Now see the third question. A certain sum amounts to 2,300 in 3 years and 2,500 in 5 years at simple interest. Find the sum and rate of interest. See the given information. A certain sum. Here sum means a capital or principal. Amounts to. Here amount means principal plus interest. That is called amount. A certain sum amounts to amount A equal to P plus I. A certain sum amounts to 2,300 in 3 years. See here what is the formula for amount? A equal to P plus I is the formula. But here interest for how many years? 3 years. That's why I want to take 3I. See the first expression, P plus 3I equal to how much? 2,300. Second one, P plus 5I equal to 2,500. This is first expression and this is second one. From these two, we can find out I value. Subtract 1 from 2. So we get 5I minus 3I means 2I equal to 2,500 minus 2,300. Value is 200. I equal to 100. But we have to find out what is the P value and what is the R value. Here interest for 1 year is 100 rupees, and to find a rate of interest and principal, substitute I value in first equation. So here P plus 3I. What is the I value? 100. So 3I means 300 equal to 2,300. Now P is equal to 2,300 minus 300. So value is 2,000 rupees. Now find out R value. R equal to, what is the interest here? 100 rupees. 100 rupees interest on which amount? Principal amount. What is the principal amount? 2,000 rupees. So interest by principal into 100. This is a direct one to find out R value. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Again 0, 0 cancel. And now what is the R value? 5% per annum. Here sum value is 2,000 rupees and rate of interest value is 5% per annum. Let us move to the next question. A certain sum amounts to 17,700 rupees in 3 years and 20,400 rupees in 6 years under simple interest. Find the respective values of sum and rate of interest. Now see, P plus 3I equal to, amount means principal plus interest. So here P plus 3 years interest. So P plus 3I equal to 17,700. And second one is P plus 6 years. 6I equal to how much? 20,400. From these two expressions, we get interest value and P value. But suppose this is first one and this is the second one. Take 2 minus 1 difference. Then 6i minus 3i is 3i equal to how much value? 2700. Now see, I value equal to 900. Interest is 900. What is the principal value? From first expression, P plus 3i means 2700 equal to 17,700. Now P equal to 17,700 minus 2,700. Then what is the value? 15,000 is the value. Principal is 15,000. Now find out the rate of interest. Rate of interest are equal to interest by, what is the interest? 900 by principal, initial value. Interest 900 on which amount? 15,000 rupees. So 15,000 into 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled, 0, 0 cancelled, and this 15 cancelled how many times? 6 times. So here R value is 6% per annum. Now see the next question. A sum of money lent out at simple interest amount to 720 after 2 years and 1020 after a further period of 5 years. See here, a sum of money lent out at simple interest amounts to means here amount value is 720. Amount means principal plus interest. For how many years? For 2 years. So here P plus 2i equal to how much? 720. And 1020 after a further period of 5 years. After a further period of 5 years means 2 years plus 5 years, total 7 years. So P plus 7i equal to how much? 1020. Take the difference of these two. Principal is cancelled. Then 5i equal to how much? 300. Then I is equal to 60. Now see, to find principal, substitute I value in first one. P plus 2i means 120 equal to 720. Now P is equal to 720 minus 120, that equal to 600 rupees. Now find out a rate of interest. Actually in this fifth question, only find out the principal value NF. But I want to find out the rate of interest. How to find out rate of interest? R equal to interest by 60 by principal initial value 600 into 100. So what is the percentage? 10% per annum. These are the questions for your practice. So do practice and write your answers in comment section. If you learn anything from this video, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.